Yeah, I was looking at the old pics of ours, the beautiful memories we shared, the way we used to share our life and that way in which you cared. With the night coming here to an end, it is morning and I'm still awake, my friend. I'm so sorry, everyone's busy now. Hey my friend, don't you worry, I'm getting older with you. There's nothing so special and nothing so new as it's just getting got and through that sharing and the daring way. Those memorable things were said. You make me feel a better person each day. You help me find my way. You're the friend I can trust on. You're the friend I can rely on. My friend, when you are around, there is so much fun that's around. You're rare piece you know, but I feel so much good to show. You're so much fun, you know. Together it was so much fun to grow. Thanks for coming in my life. With your cool smile I always arrive. That you are my friend for life. You are in my every strife. You're like a diamond, never lose its shine so bright. That you are my color and my light. Sometimes we fight a lot, I know. Your grumpy face to show, but you need to know the reason you keep arguing in every season. Yeah, these are my silly friends. I swear I don't pretend it is me who playing for the team, and it make my heart sing. Let's forget that my silly friend, cause I can't even defend with a friend like you, who's so wonderful and beautiful too. My coolest wishes are with you, cause people like you are few. I want you to excel and flourish. This achievement you will cherish till the end of the time. The sweetest like a wind chime. Yo, I'm with you, bro. Feel the flow, this is tingly soul. Yeah, gonna blow, let's go. The moment when you excel is true. So without any clue, just give your best that you can in life. After the end of the strive, you focus on your goal and you wear off your role. So go out there and do what you like. Leave the things you dislike. Just concentrate on your positive and leave aside the negative. It's never easy to get what you want in life. It's really hard to keep on working or strive, but at the end you reach your goal if you play your role. May good fortune be with you forever and only reach higher and higher. May you get everything you desire. May your dreams come true. Remember to think that you are the best, better than the rest, my friend. This is just a small good luck care to reduce your tension and fear. You do as a skip the fate of life. You get everything that's deprived. I know this time is still tough for you and the situation's difficult too, but giving your best shot be your goal. You should already know your role, know what you really wanna do, cause this time is too crucial for you and me too. Now the time has flew. We gonna meet every time and I miss you. I just wish you all the best until we close our eyes for the rest.